Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. So in today's lecture, I gonna share about how to use bar graph and gauge in FactoryTalk View Studio with using slider or analog tag. If you new on my YouTube channel, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss new update. So let's get started. First, I will explain you what is a bar graph and how you can use it, and after that I will explain you where you can use it bar graph with the any analog value. So first you have to take bar graph. Where is bar graph? So click on tool and here you can see the bar graph. It is a bar graph. So click on it, drag and drop it here. So you can apply here box rule. In the first box you can see here border style, border width and border use back color, back style, fill style, border use back color and fill color. So first I will explain you what is the border style. The object like reset, insert and line. Border style is a common style for each and every buttons or each and every tools of FactoryTalk View Studio like momentary button, maintain button, toggle button, push button and any other button. So if you learn any one appearance, it means you can use any appearance with any tool of the appearance, any appearance of the tool. So you can see here width of the border, you can select which border width you want, example 2, and border use back color. If you click on border use back color, it means border color will be used like a back color. If you deselect here, so you can see both is different. If you again select, here is a back color is whether your object is solid, transparent and gradient. You can use solid. When you select the solid, on that time you able to use back color and you able to use back color and also fill color. But if you select the transparent, you cannot use the back color and fill color. Example, click on it, you can see here its back color is not showing in the gradient. So you can use the two color with back color, example start color and end color. You can use the start color and end color like a shading direction like horizontal, vertical, diagonal and diagonal up and diagonal down. If you want, you can use it, otherwise you can skip it. And next is bar graph setting. So bar graph setting means what is the minimum maximum value of the analog tag. According to minimum maximum value, you have to select here bar graph value minimum value and bar graph maximum value. And fill direction of the fill, mean which direction you want to for the fill, bottom to top, top to bottom, left to right or right to left. Like right now is selected top, bottom to top. If you select top to bottom, then what will happen? It will fill from the top to bottom and it is a transparent. Most of the time case it will be always transparent. And if you select right, left to right, then what will happen? It will filling the from the left to right and right to left, then what will happen? It will fill from the left, right to left, again top to bottom to top. Most of the case you want to fill from top to bottom, then you can use according to your requirement, you can use any fill direction. Next is number of threshold. Threshold means how many threshold you want to fill, like that 50 or 70. If you want to change the value with the help of one box, what you can do, you can select the size of the bar graph. For example, you want to 350, you can select 350. and you want to example, you want to height, you want to 500, you can select 500 height, and width you want to 200, you can select that 200, and any width you can select. Tooltip already explained what is the tooltip. When you will write anything in the tooltip text, it will appear on the run bar graph bar graph bar graph setting, bar graph setting. You can write bar graph setting. Also you can write any analog value, right? Like example, temperature transmitter value coming, example level transmitter value coming from the field, then you can write here level transmitter tank 1. Click on apply, and connection, for the connection what you have to do, first you have to select the tag. Before the select tag, what I will explain you. I have to explain you, first I have explained you how you can connect analog tag for bar graph. And one another things, you have to take one scale. How you can take scale? You can take scale from the toolbar. With toolbar you can see here scale, you can choose it scale, you can choose here, okay, it's scale, it will be so like a scale. And in the bar, in the scale you can see border style section in general section, like for also numeric input, numeric display, string input, string display, all tools like you can see here. And what you have to do, you have to write, you can select anything, example residence, border width, you can choose any border width according to you, which border width you want, and same border use back color. If you select back color, so it will be, you can use border color like a back color. So I will skip you because I already explained how you can use it. And click on scale, and if scale, it will be up to down, direction of the up and down, left to right, right to left, and top to bottom. Up means down to up, left means right to left, right means left to right. And major tick, you can see select 3 tick, 1 2 3, you are able to see 3 tick. If you select the 10 tick, it will show 10 tick. If you select 10 tick, 10 tick means after 1 tick, example your value is coming 0 to 100% or 0 to 10, so after 10 means 10%. Click OK, and measure tricks, you can use tricks, but it's not more important, that's why I am going to skip it. So how many streak you want from 0 to 10, you can measure ticks, how many ticks you want. So you can 2 ticks, if you want 2 ticks, it's okay. Click on OK. One step completed. Step number 2, you have to choose a analog tag, but you don't have PLC, because I am explaining SCADA, so you don't have PLC. So what you have to do, and first it will select here 100%, left, right, top, right, top, and next what you have to take, you want a analog tag. So how you can take analog tag, I already explained in my previous video how you can use PLC tag, means how you can use HMI tag if you don't have any PLC, or you want to learning SCADA, so you can take directly, you can make directly tag in the HMI tag. I already, and for this you want to a slider. With the help of slider, you can increase or decrease value of the unlock tag. Also you can use one more thing. This is the name of ramp button. Ramp button like a use button, but in the ramp button value will jump, and in with if you are using slider, so value will not jump. If you are using a ramp button, then value will be jump. So you can use both. You can use also ramp button and also slider. Click on save it. So what you have to do, you have to assign tag on slider, right click and click on it, animation, and in the animation vertical slider, you click on vertical slider, you can see here tag, select on tag. So here you can see I already created 10 tags from log 1, log 2, log 3, log 4, log 5. In log 5, so in log 5, if you are not able to see, so I already explained what you have to do. You have to select here server folder. So server, it is a server. FactoryTalk View YouTube, it is a server. Click on it, and in log file, click on it. You can see here select tag, home area. Click on it and click on it again. Close. What you have to do, you have to same tag select for the property. If any one tag is missed, means any one tag is different, so you cannot use this particular bar graph connection, and in the connection click on it. Also you can use expression, which expression you want according to requirement. Save. Click on it. What you have to do, you have to right click and click on property, and you can change here back color. You can change the back color, which color you have to know. Example, back color, fill color. So fill color, you want to fill color dark normal green, you can choose green color, or you can choose sky blue color. Click on it and click OK. One thing, example, you have to change threshold color. So what you have to do, change threshold color from here 0 to 50, or you can choose 25, and also you can choose 50. It will show from 25 to after 25 yellow color, and after 50 red color. But after 50 red color is not required, so you can select 25, means 75, it is better. Click on apply and OK. One thing, if you want to know what is the value of the slider, so what you have to do, you have take a unlock display, numeric display. From here numeric display, select it, and simple, sorry, you have to take numeric display. It is numeric display, select it, and what you have to do, you have to directly take it here from the tag, click on it, click on apply, check syntax and valid, it is valid. Click on decimal, you can choose hexadecimal, octal, binary, floating point. So always choose floating point if you require the exact value. So you want to choose floating point, and exponential value, it will be so exponential fill, and round value also you can choose the round value. Center, it will show from the center, and leading characteristic will be so 0 or blank will be better, and fixed decimal point after 2 value, it will be 6 decimal point is after 3 is bit better. Click on OK and apply. Okay, you can choose according to your requirement which how many require. Also you can choose according to your requirement how much you want. You can do setting 20, example 5. Okay, click on save. And next, what next step you have to launch a client. I already created on particular topic how you can create clients in FactoryTalk runtime client. So please visit on my YouTube channel and saw you video visit on my YouTube channel playlist FactoryTalk View SCADA and see you this video, watch this video, and you can learn how to use FactoryTalk VXC client. It is a server like a HMI server and FactoryTalk links server. I will explain in the FactoryTalk links what is the FactoryTalk links server.